Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Let's dive right in. Our word of the day is applicable. It's an adjective that means relevant or suitable for something. This is a C1 level word, so it's a great one to know if you're aiming to elevate your English skills. To use applicable in everyday language, you might say, "These rules are applicable to all employees," or "The advice she gave was not really applicable to my situation." It's a handy word when you're discussing how well something fits or relates to a specific context. Some synonyms for applicable include relevant, appropriate, and pertinent. For example, "The guidelines provided were highly relevant to the problem," or "Her comments were very appropriate for the occasion." Another example, "This article is pertinent to our current research project." On the other hand, antonyms for applicable are irrelevant, unsuitable, and inappropriate. For example, you might say, "The new policy is completely irrelevant to our department," or "This kind of behavior is unsuitable for a professional setting." One more. "That remark was totally inappropriate during the meeting." In everyday life, you'll find applicable used in a variety of contexts. You might hear it at work, in school, or even in casual conversations. For example, if someone asks, "Do these instructions apply to me?" you could respond, "Yes, they're applicable to everyone." Or imagine you're learning a new skill and someone says, "These tips are applicable to any level of experience." Here are a few more examples. "This law is only applicable in certain states." "Her knowledge of the subject is applicable to many fields." "The discount is applicable to purchases over $50. That's it for today's word, but let's quickly review. Applicable means relevant or suitable for something. Some synonyms are relevant, appropriate, and pertinent, while antonyms include irrelevant, unsuitable, and inappropriate. It's a versatile word that can be used in many contexts, so give it a try in your conversations this week. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Don't forget to share your own sentence using applicable in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.